Hello, my name is Andrew Carrillo. I am currently majoring in Marketing Business Management at USF St. Pete. My U number is U35183851. This is my submission for mini assignment 4, the Tableau Data Visualization SDS assignment. So for this assignment, I had to create an interactive dashboard that uses at least 3 of the visuals listed above. Personally, I chose to do visual 1, 2, and 5 using the dataset provided. And this dataset consists of a bunch of information, mostly relating to cold beverages and some other information about the drinkers of said cold beverages, like their gender, age, relationship status, children's state, number of children they have, the state they live in, and then it gets to the actual beverage information. Now, this information would obviously be very beneficial to any beverage vendor, beverage distributor, beverage producer, stuff like that. So let's take a look at my actual Tableau visuals. So let's start with Visual 1. Visual 1 was showing the average age of each preferred beverage. As you can see, the average age for, let's just start with this one, Diet Carbonated is 41.5, so about 41 and a half years old. That's the average age of people who said they preferred Diet Carbonated water. Sorry, not water. Is there such thing as Diet water? Diet Carbonated drinks. Let's look at this one, sports drinks. The average age for people who said they preferred sports drinks was 42.6, so about a little bit more than 42 and a half years old, so about 43, say that. And the average age for people who liked unflavored sparkling water was about 45 years old. That's the kind of information you're going to get from that. Let's go to my second visual. My second visual was a map that showed the preferred drinking location of each state. As you can see, this red color represents on the go, as in people prefer drinking on the go in these states. That's Tennessee and North Carolina. The navy blue color represents events, so that means that they prefer drinking at events in South Carolina and Mississippi. This orange, like goldish orange color, represents home, meaning that people in Louisiana and Florida prefer to drink at home. And this cool aqua green sea kind of color is representative of work, meaning that people in Alabama and Georgia both prefer to drink at work. My next visual, I broke it up into 2 just to make it easier, is the preferred beverages of each gender. So this is the preferred beverages of males. As you can see, I broke it up into a pie chart so you can see which one is the most preferred, which is obviously this one, iced tea. I must say I agree with this. I do enjoy iced tea. Iced coffee is a close second, with males ranking sports drinks as a third. Not too bad. And then if we look at the preferred beverages for females, we can see that the most popular beverage with females is unflavored sparkling water, with diet carbonated drinks as a second, and it looks like tap water as a third. Oh, no, never mind, sorry. Sports drinks. Iced tea as a third. Oh, I got 2/3. It's a bit of a tie. Ooh. Yeah, see, I mean, they didn't line up perfectly to like show first, second, and third, but if you look through them, you can see which ones are the most favored and which ones are least favored. I'm going to say that these 2 are the least favorite because they're both 9s. Those are the least favorites, for females at least. And this is my dashboard. If I can bring it up. There we go. This is my dashboard that shows all my visuals. I broke it up into 4 corners just to make it easier, since I had technically 4 visuals altogether, but really it's just these are each separate, and then this is supposed to be one visual. So, what kind of information here is valuable to a marketer? Almost all of it. There's a lot of different information here. A lot of it can be used for different purposes. Let's say I am a distributor of drinks and I want to know where to put my products. In Florida and Louisiana, people enjoy drinking at home. So I'm going to put my products in grocery stores like Walmart or Publix. That way, when they pick up their groceries for the house, they pick up some of our drinks because they want to drink it at home. But let's say I am a distributor in Tennessee. People like to drink, or North Carolina, and people like to drink on the go. I'm going to try to put my products in gas stations or pit stops because most people are just going to stop at the 7-Eleven, pick up a drink, and drink it on their car ride to wherever it is they're going. Same goes for events or work at work. I mean, you could probably try to push to get your beverages into vending machines because that's what people have at their works. They just stop by the vending machine, grab your drink because they're at work and that's what they want to drink. Mississippi and South Carolina like to drink at events. You would try to get your drinks into sporting events like not coliseums, stadiums and convention centers, places like that. That's where you're going to want to put your drinks. Now, for this one, you would need the age to see the demographic you are going to be marketing to. This one and this one both have to do with demographics. As in, like, you're not going to market iced coffee. There it is. You're not going to market iced coffee to a 12-year-old. You're going to market it to a 42-year-old. A more mature campaign with different approaches. Same goes here. You're not going to be marketing iced tea as heavily to females as you are males because it's more popular with males as opposed to females. It's almost twice as popular with males as it is with females. So all your iced tea campaigns are going to be more geared towards males, and as opposed to that, you're going to have most of your unflavored sparkling water campaigns geared towards females because they're more likely to respond to it than males. Stuff like that. That's the gist of the important information you're going to get from this info. I hope that you enjoyed my presentation and enjoy the rest of your day.